Hello guys, Tesla FSD Supervised version 12.6.3 is now rolling out. Within 1 week of time, Tesla has started rolling out FSD Supervised version 13.2.6 for E14 vehicle as well as FSD Supervised version 12.6.3 for SW3 cars. After this update, you will see smoother handling of complex urban environment including intersection, roundabout and pedestrian heavy areas. Tesla owners with FSD package can request access to beta program. FSD beta updates are rolled out over the air update to eligible vehicles.